Why does your scanner show the P0712 engine code? What does it mean? P0712 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid temperature sensor A, circuit low. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a low transmission fluid temperature sensor signal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Damaged sensor wiring, low transmission fluid level, PCM malfunction, poor electrical connection, faulty transmission fluid temperature sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in General Motors, GM, Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.